A woman who tries to change her man will always fail. If a man finds out that his woman is trying to change him, he will intentionally do exactly the opposite. Even though her intentions are genuinely good and she wants to make him better, the man will feel rejected. It hurts his masculinity and he will start to resent his woman. If you're a woman, don't get fooled by the idea of trying to fix your man. A lot of women have wasted their love and time on the wrong man because they thought he could be fixed. That's not how it works. The best way to change a man is by doing very little. All he needs is a little push, a slight shove to the edge. Too much care and assistance can actually kill his drive and make him complacent. You can't hold his hand and guide him. Men respond better to appreciation rather than criticism. So next time he does something nice for you, be sure to show your appreciation not just with your words, but with your actions as well. The greater the appreciation he feels for his actions, the greater the motivation he will have to protect you, provide for you, and serve you.